guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do this intro really super fast because my battery's about to die and I don't know how much longer I have. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this kind of festive, bright colored holiday Christmas look, please keep watching. Alright, so to prime my eyes, I'm going to be going in with my Pro Longwear paint pot from MAC in Soft Ochre, this one. And I just take that on this like Bare Essentials, which is now Bare Minerals. Take that on a concealer brush and pat that on my eye. I really need to get my eyebrows threaded, but I don't know when I'm gonna get it done. I have to. It's only 6 o'clock. It feels like it's 10. I'm sorry if you hear a beeping noise in the back while I talk. I need to change the batteries in my smoke detector. It's very annoying. And I'm just gonna pat over this with my Morphe sponge. So I'm just gonna do this on the other eye. I actually never used the paint pots when I, first was introduced to MAC. I always used the Pro Longwear concealer as my base. But since I don't know where mine is, I bought this. Do you guys ever feel like one eye goes so much faster than the other? Alright, so I just bought this. If you saw this in my vlog, I recently got the Morphe 9N palette right here. Really love these shades. It's the About Last Night palette. Really holiday in my mind. I'm going to do like a quick go-to holiday look kind of thing, like if you're going to a holiday party or you just want to look festive. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to actually set my lid space with this Provocateur shade, this lightest one in the palette. And what I love about this new Morphe packaging is that all of their palettes now have a mirror, or at least these little like 9 shadow ones do, and I am a fan. So I'm just going to stamp this all over my lid. So I think what I'm going to do is go in with Showtime, this orange shade right here, and I'm going to take that on an M441, and I'm going to pop this in the crease. I'm going to also blend it out here. This is like literally just how I do my makeup every day. Like the style in which I apply shadows, like where I put them, like my transition shades. Always go in my crease here, and then I always bring them out into like a V. And I just go back and forth in these motions and blend it all out. Alright, next shade I'm going to go in with is Hot and Crowded, this really beautiful like corally red shade. This shade is honestly the reason that I bought the palette, so, ooh, yes. That's really pretty. I really like that. That's really pretty. So I'm just going to make sure those are really blended well, and then I'm going to go in with my ColourPop E9 brush. It's the smaller tipped one, and I'm going to start going in with Private Room, this deep purple color. I'm going to pack this on the outside of my eye, like on the very corner. I'm just going to go back in with my M441 and blend these shades together a little bit more, have it smoke out this way. So I'm going to cut my crease real quick. I'm going to go in with my Born This Way concealer. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just doing one eye right now because my battery's low and I can at least get one eye done for you guys. We're going to leave it like that. And then before it gets too dry, I'm going to go in with my R42 brush from Morphe. This flat one that I usually go in with like my glittery colors. And I'm going to go in with Bottle Service, this greenish gold shade. And tap this on that concealer that's still pretty wet. So I'm just going to bring it to that point because I'm going to go in with Skyline now, this lighter purple, and do that and conjoin the two essentially. And honestly, it's fine if you take it on the same brush because it will probably help you blend them out a little bit. I'm going to take my R41 pencil brush. I know we're going through a lot of steps here, but take my R41 pencil brush and use that to add some of the red back in here. What I'm going to do is deepen up this part right here, and then take my E10 brush from ColourPop and grab that Private Room, that deep purple shade, and bring that a little farther over, just to define this crease area a bit more. Yeah, so that's all I'm going to do on this eye for now. I will finish up this eye, and then I will be back to show you guys the finished look. For the most part, this is it. I'm going to probably touch up a few things here and there, so I will be right back. Alright guys, so that completes this look. I did go in with MAC Black Track on my waterline here. It's just a gel liner. My lashes are the Ace Beaute Cerina lashes. I showed these in my little mini haul I did. I'll link it down below if you haven't seen it yet. And then my lip is just these three things. I went in with the NYX Slide On Glide On lip pencil in Nude Suede Shoes. I love this as a nude lip liner. And then I went in with the Genevieve MAC Cosmetics lipstick that she came out with. I believe it's still available on ASOS, she said, but I don't know. It might have gone out already. I really didn't want to do a bright lip since I have really bright eyes, so I just decided, you know, to stay nude, but get a little something, so I wanted to top it off with a gloss, and I went in with the ColourPop and Delilah collaboration in Nude Day. It's really pretty. It's got some like sparkles in it and everything, and I just think it looks really nice. So everything else I will link down below for you. I did use my Bomb Ass Brow Kit on my eyes though. I have it in the shade Dark. If it is still available, I will link it down below. This is a great gift as well to get someone. So is this palette. This is like just super portable. Has a lot of good shades, you know, some pops of color, some darker tones, as well as like your neutrals. It's just an all-around good palette, and I would definitely recommend it as a gift to someone. These two things, faux shizzle. But I gotta go. My battery is low. I hope you guys like this look. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're over there, go ahead and hit subscribe, especially if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. If you saw this in my vlog, I just bought the About Alright guys, so that completes this look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I did decide to... that was really fucking fast. I'm really sorry if you didn't understand that, but I did my best. Okay, bye camera. You go and die now.